I'm over here in the wonderful world of Gun Geek and Company, and he's letting me use his 93 Mauser, a Turkish one, to try out some of this Privi 139 grain 8mm Mauser. So we're going to give that a try and see if it does any better or worse out of this than it did out of my K98.
I'm going to bring out my finest Mauser, I guess.
The finest ever made in Turkey. Or refurbished by the Turks, or whatever that was.
The barrel looks better than it does, so.
Well, that's true. It's got a really good bore.
Wouldn't you say they were done in the 30s and 40s?
That one was done
This
in
one's
40.
1940 on it, is it? Yeah.
I took them from, what, 35 to 40 something to get them all done.
My Turkish Mauser I used to have was marked 1938, I think. Is the one I used.
Yeah, my first one's a 35 or something like that.
Yeah. Everybody get their ears?
Yep.
We're good to go? Hopefully this shoots sort of half where the sights are aimed. We'll try the right-hand target.
Okay.
Any damage?
Right at the lower right-hand corner.
They're on the paper, you're fine.
The primers look pretty round on those. You can tell they're kind of low powered. Now this way, when somebody comments and says that I'm a shitty shot, and if you get the same size group, they can accuse both of us of being shitty shots. So. Unless you get like a 2-inch group, in which case I'm going to feel, you know.
Oh, that little rat does that all the time. Does it on me anyway.
Well, you know.
So. Just below the black at 6 o'clock. Just a little lower to the left of your last one.
Alright.
About 2 inches.
They're loud enough under that tin roof, aren't they?
Yeah.
An okay trigger rounds anyway.
Not too bad, yeah. Alright, we got 5 rounds of that wonderful Privi Partisan ammo, and there's my group on the right. I'm thinking maybe about 5 inches high and maybe 3 inches wide. So some of that's probably the result of me holding up and down on this black target. And then just to embarrass me, Scott shot a better group. 1, 2, 3, what, maybe 3.5 inches maybe?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Something like that. Good shooting, although, you know.
Must have had my carrots today, I guess.
That's right. So, next up we have a Kar98, a real pretty looking one. I'll give that a try. See if I can redeem my diminished honor here a little bit. But oh, and those lovely Mauser sights.
Gotta get by
Front ones are a tiny bit better, I think.
Yeah.
Front one's a bit more flat.
The strange thing to me is why they put such sights on such a good rifle, but anyway.
Uh-oh, cue the Mauser fanboys.
Well, you know, I've had Mausers for, let me think now, 33 or 34 years, so I have a right to complain.
Yeah, give you a long enough time to see if they're good or not.
Everybody's good?
Yep.
I'm leaving a little bit of light underneath the target, hoping I can hold it the same. we on the target?
Yeah, you're quite low. Oh, the first shot was way low. He just nicked the bottom of the white.
Okay.
The next one is higher, but
Okay.
so. Worse than the Turkish one as possible.
But they're not horrible things to shoot, being moderately powered like that. But
No, this stuff's actually it's nice to shoot. It's too bad it doesn't shoot better. But
well, but it's good.
yeah. Got a worse trigger than 93 though. Say that.
So this is out of the K98K. That's my group. How wide is that? Probably 6 inches. 5.5 wide,
Yeah.
and probably about about 5.5. But
2 inches tall.
2.5 inches tall. So
Yeah.
thereabouts. And Scott had a nice group in the backstop there. He's a little lower than me, so it's off the paper. So we're going to go back and try that again and put the sights up a little higher this time, of course. It's like 5 inches, 5.25 inches for that one. And those are mine on the right.
Yeah.
And there's your group over on the other side.
6 1/4 about, I guess.
Yeah,
But
you had
four
four
of them
were
3
three,
3/4.
yeah,
I think that might be the one I got away from.
kind of skipped away from me a little bit there. Interesting though, I'm shooting same as last time. I'm shooting the line across, and you're
Yeah.
shooting
You were
kind of
on
what I was
twos.
doing the first time around, which was up and down. Anyway, I don't know how much of that is attributable to the ammo and how much is the shooter and his use of the sights. Kind of hard to say.
I suppose if that was a deer, you'd be.
Oh yeah, to do the
Inside of it.
do the business.
Yeah, I see it right there. Inside of those ones, isn't it?
Yeah. Put a lot of holes and patches and stuff. Yeah.
All right, this is with the Turkish Mauser, and that's a little better that time. There's 4 there in about 2 inches, and then one down below
Less than
opens.
2 there. Well,
Yeah.
4 of them.
Yeah, but then there's that one down below,
3 inches.
so it's about 3 inches,
Well, that's
which
probably
is not bad really for
a
that.
military gun. That's probably about what you can.
And yours are, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder where the 5th one went. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's all 5 of them. Yeah.
Think of that one.
So this is the group that'll make it to YouTube because I did better this time.
Yeah,
so,
that's right. Yeah. Instead of all the other stuff.
Anyway, yeah. Don't mind the other times when I suck. This will be the
Yeah,
one
that's
that'll
the
make
lowest
it.
setting, and you're shooting
Yeah.
here. That's
Yeah, it shoots to the sights pretty well. So
So
there's
shooting
that.
the K98 though, it's
Yes, the longer sight radius probably doesn't hurt, and it's the sight on that one is a little bit pointier, so I could actually I found it a little easier to keep it square. So the other one's very flat. So
some
it's,
K98s are kind of ammo sensitive, aren't they? They kind of like this is the kind of ammo they made for them in the war, and
if you don't put that in it, then yeah.
Yeah.